100 Irish hits, the fantastic new 5-CD collection. All your favourites, including Joe Dolan, Mary Black, Sonny Knowles, Dolores, Keane and Johnny McEvoy. 100 Irish hits, the sensational new 5-CD collection with the greatest hits from the Fureys, Louise, Morrissey, Bowyer, Red Hurley, and here's Dickie.
Baby, I'm your man.
Classics from Liam Clancy, Francis Black, and a little bit of country from Mick Flavin. 100 Irish hits, the greatest collection ever.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me.
More and more and more.
And yes, there's more.
Where the strawberry beds
100 Irish hits, your complete 5-CD collection. Out now from Dolphin.